Welcome back to my channel. This time I will give an explanation in sewing bags, which in the previous video I have given the process of making it, and this time I will explain step by step. For making the pattern I go straight to the process sew it because for the process of making the pattern there is a separate video. In this video I explain for the initial process first. We make the edge seam hem first, make the top, we sew straight and flat. For the first stage one made a front pocket, where the front pocket is white. The first thing we do is sew the edge of the pocket, which I have marked in the form of a line, so that it is a triangle, D shape like this so that the pocket becomes bubbly. Because we can see from the shape of the bag for the front or the front pocket is bubbly, so we make a boundary, so I sewed in a triangular shape. For an explanation of the size, it's in the right part of making the pattern, so later you can see the size. For the one I sew the triangle shape at the bottom, because the shape is bubbly at the bottom, so we sew the bottom so that it forms bubbles. After finishing sewing the bottom and we see that it has formed bubbles and corners, we start to the next stage. We attach the white cloth to the dusty pink cloth, which is the dusty pink cloth. We have given a box shape or picture. As usual for the box shape and size, everything is explained in the video for making the pattern. Next we will sew the white one onto the dusty pink cloth. We fit it with the line drawing of the box. We follow the line of the box. In this part we have to be patient in sewing it. Slowly, following along until the white cloth covers the outline of the box. As usual for the tolerance of the seam, 1 cm is enough, or the maximum is 1.5 cm. Don't be too big. If it's too big, the shape won't turn into a bubble, or don't let the size be uneven. If it's not flat, the result will be ugly. Just slowly sew it up so it's neat. Especially fits in the corner, it has to fit between the white corner and the corner of the square line drawing. You have to try to fit between the corners, otherwise the shape will be disturbed and it won't be precise. Then when finished, we take the same size as the bottom corner. For the top, we pile on the top end of the fabric and then sew, like the one in the video. Equalize the top side by sewing on the fur side. For the results, you can see in the video. For this stage it's here. Yes, in the next video we will continue to the next stage. Thank you for watching my video. I hope my video is useful for all, especially those who watch my video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to press the like button, okay?